I'm David Bitton. I'm Vice President of AI and Product Strategy. Customization, in most of the case, people think it's more expensive. Like I think when you go for picking up a car and you start customizing it, you see the price going up. In our logic is completely different because what we're trying to do is understanding specifically what type of compute do you need, right? And sometimes customization could be just by accelerating few components that your code in the backend will need as a resource. And sometimes just that suffice to diminish the time of compute. It could be as well on not having a blueprint of reproducing one cluster to another cluster, same cluster. Sometimes with this cluster, we need a different network layer infrastructure, right? Doesn't have to have the Cadillac of networking to compute. Same goes for the data center design, right? One of our strength in the data center is these capabilities as well to adapt. I'm going to say again, customize, but it is really seeing, okay, what do you need in what amount of time and how can we achieve that in parallel so you can start training as fast as possible.